What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff Slick with Freedom Realty of Anderson. In this week's video, we're going to be visiting some new properties, selling some old properties. Bacon Avenue finally closed. Almost. Almost. So listen, if you haven't already, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I post new videos of the properties the day that they go on the MLS, and I post my weekly updates on Thursday at 8 p.m. So let's get to it. What's up? My client that is buying bacon, they called me about another property here in town that they want to make an offer on, possibly so. They're in California, but I am going now to that property. I'm just gonna go look at it. They've obviously seen the pictures, but mainly he wants me to make sure that the floors are okay. So I'm gonna go over there and check it out for him and see what it's looking like. All right, so here we are. This floor is not that bad. This is a bit of a concern sometimes. Right. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see all this, but it's wired. There is no floor. That floor in here is completely rotten out. Let me get my ass out here. I don't even know if I should be walking there. So, yeah, it's pretty rough. I mean, it's pretty buildable though. You know what you're doing. These new windows. Fireplace there. Hell, I don't know, man. It's not too bad. $15,000. I'm gonna call him real quick. It does appear that my client's going to possibly make an offer on it. I gotta check the tax records to see what the square footage is. There's two different numbers on there, and I'm not sure which one it is. Anyways, I'm gonna check that, and then I'm gonna let them know. And probably make an offer on that one tomorrow. It ain't gonna be a high offer, but it'll be an offer. What's happening? So Friday, I'm headed to the office. The house I went to yesterday and looked at for my client in California, I think they're gonna make an offer on it. I'm going to the office this morning to write up a contract. Also have a asset inspection. I'm gonna ride by it. It's just the people live in it still, so I'll ride by it, take a few pictures, and then not sure what else is going on today. So right now I'm running over here to Bacon Ave. Got a task of verify yard maintenance. Anyway, I'm not even gonna stop. I don't have to get out. I'm just gonna shoot past and make sure it's been done. So there she is. Again, if you want to see any of these properties, you can't really see it on there, but it's www.freedomrealty.net, or just give me a call. Give me a call. I got 25 or 30 properties that are in the pipeline right now. So yeah, I just had to ride by and make sure the grass is cut. It is. So that's it. On to the next one. Oh, good morning. What's happening? It is about 6:50. I'm headed to the office. So the house that I went and looked at the other day had the kitchen somewhat falling in. Well, not somewhat, it was falling in. The offer that my buyer put in, the seller accepted according to the listing agent. Up to this point, I've had a little bit of a problem getting in touch with the listing agent. I'm supposed to send me the contract yesterday. Today's Tuesday now. I never heard from her. I talked to my client last night, told him what was going on, and anyway, so yeah, I am headed to the office. Hopefully we'll get that taken care of today. They're ready to close. What's up? 26 degrees this morning. Cold as shit. It's just the way it goes. It's been in the 60s and 70s. here lately. Today's 26, but it's supposed to be like really cold this weekend. Sunday's Christmas. Pelham Heights, my house on Pelham Heights that we made an offer on. They accepted the offer last weekend, not this past weekend, but the weekend before last. And she never sent me the contract back. I asked her about it, and I asked her about it. But then finally she said, well, I messaged her Saturday after speaking to my clients and was like, look, if you're not going to send the contract back, then we're going to move on. We're going to find something else. So, well, I thought I sent it to you already. You know, good and damn well you ain't sent that shit already. Anyways, she sent it right after that. I'm just unclear on why. Anyways, whatever. So that was under contract. I'm going to the office today. I'm going to print all that stuff up and get it sent over to the lawyer's office. Bacon is set to close this Thursday. Fingers crossed. My clients are ready to close, so unless there's a problem at the closing office, which is not our closing office, it's some place in Nevada or something. I don't know where it's at. I'm lying when I said Nevada because I have no clue where it's at. But anyway, so depends on them. If they get it done, then we'll be good on Thursday. If not, then we'll move on. Pelham Heights is set to close the following, I think it's the following Thursday or Friday, the 30th. So, yeah. So here at this house, this is one of my dad's new foreclosure. Bunch of stuff in here. Got a pool, all that good stuff. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That was close. Huh. So that's the key. Hold on. All right. So yeah, he's taking pictures today, and I've got some tasks to do. This is still gotta be cleaned out. This is fairly rough shape. Quick little walk through, go upstairs. He said he didn't go upstairs. We're gonna see what's up there. All right, so it's like 2:45. My dad just called me. Obviously, I was over at that house. I packed some of the floors anyway. My dad called me. He had a bunch to do, so I am trying to save him a little bit. I'm going to Talladega to get some pictures for him. But I also forgot to just now that our company Christmas party's tonight. So that's at 6. It's 2:45. I'm about an hour. 45 minutes probably down there and 45 minutes back. That's an hour and a half. Probably take me 20 or 30 minutes to do what I gotta do once I get there. So I'm on a tight time frame because when I get back, I still gotta take a shower, get ready, and then go to the place. I get stressed out when I'm in a tight time crunch like that. So like I said, Christmas party tonight at the Peerless. We're getting, well, I'd say we're getting drunk. I don't even drink that much. I'll have a couple drinks. That's just how it goes. All right, so I just got down here. I can already tell by looking that they've done a lot of the things they're supposed to do. That band, the white band there at the front of the house, all that, they didn't put none of that on before. The steps over here, they were not painted before. Now they're painted, so it's looking good. Hopefully, this will be listed by the first of the year, maybe. So many lights. Now I don't know if y'all remember this, but this is that one where they had the big gap one, so they fixed all that back there. They fixed all that in there. And I put this trim around, so, which is cool, I guess. It's whatever. So yeah, that's all I had to do down here was just come down here and snap a few pictures. It's like always, task is due, you know. Now I gotta get back to the house, get ready for the Christmas party tonight. What's up, guys? So, it's been a wild week. It's the week before Christmas. Actually, today's Friday, so we're like 2 days before Christmas. Got, of course, several tasks that have to be done. One is a contract extension because they didn't get everything together to close on bacon on the 23rd like they were supposed to. So they're going probably the 27th or the 28th is what I think it is now. So I got to do a contract extension on that. Right now I'm headed to Talladega. I have an asset inspection to do down there. It's like 11 degrees outside. Not really ideal, but probably not the worst thing I'll ever have to do. I have one due on my other house too, but it's not due for 7 days, so I'm not gonna do it today. Alright, so I just got down here, Talladega. This one should be ready to list. They're done. Matter of fact, I think he turned in or they should have approved the last bid or last bit of work, at the end of last week or in the last day or so. I come down here and took pictures this week for that specific reason. And back again, really here this time, it's obviously real cold. So I was already down this way and we don't want the pipes to bust. So I'm gonna turn the water on. But while I'm here, I'm gonna take some pictures because you never miss an opportunity to take pictures. So it's a cold bitch out here. It's like 10 degrees, I think. Which is Antarctica here. We don't get temperatures like this. Not typically. So real quick, this is it. Actually, this is the living room. Everything's pretty much new. New floors. All new kitchen. My battery's going dead. The carpet in the bedrooms, everything's been painted. The bathroom was completely redone. So yeah. This one's not so bad. I got my pictures. This one's not so bad. The problem's gonna be when I get to the other one. It ain't got no heat. It's gonna be cold as shit. That ain't no fun. All right, though, I'm done. Let's go to the next one. Here we are. Again, it's 12 degrees out here, so we'll make quick work of this one. Should leave my truck running. What's up, pup? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What doing? What are you doing? It's cold out here, huh? Yeah. Shit, it's cold, bud. They be like, take pictures of the damage. Hell, man. The whole thing's damaged. I can't even get to this side. They're supposed to have sent some kind of insurance adjuster out here. I don't know for what. They called me the other day and asked me to make sure the combination, so I gave it to them. They asked for the damage. Hell, this whole house is fucked up. I mean, it really needs a complete gutting. That's it, man. I'm not gonna freeze my ass off all day today. We get the hell out of here. Because it is too cold for this shit. Oh, I am not cut out for 10-degree weather. Whoo, shit. So that's gonna do it for this week's video. If you haven't already, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. That helps out more than you can know. Bacon is scheduled to close next week. Pelham Heights won't be that far behind it. If If you're interested in any of the houses that you see in any of my videos, you can go visit www.freedomrealty.net and you can see all my listings live online, give you all the information about them. So until next time.